Seasonal affective disorder, otherwise known as seasonal depression, happens during certain seasons of the year, and many of us feel the symptoms of depression during the fall and winter. News 19's Nawal Jalil has more on the signs of seasonal affective disorder and how to manage your mental health during the months.
It's a disorder that millions of Americans face, and research from the University of Texas Medical Branch shows that often people feel the symptoms of seasonal depression during the fall and winter months. That's because less daylight can cause a drop in serotonin, the hormone that regulates mood, and melatonin, released before sleep, is triggered by darkness.
Fall and winter, we see the most patients with seasonal affective disorder. And I think it's more dramatic here in the southern region because the spring and summer are wonderful with plenty of sunshine.
Dr. Edward Witt with ARC Healthcare in Huntsville also says that some other symptoms you might experience include having less energy, weight gain, less interest in doing things you enjoy, trouble sleeping or oversleeping, and changes in eating habits. Seasonal depression doesn't only affect adults.
A lot of times kids will have their favorite season. One of their favorite things to do is go outside and run and jump and get those little bruises on their shins. Whether it's a rainy day or change in temperature, it's cold, it's dark earlier in the evenings, and they can't do those things. A lot of times that can lead to sadness.
But Dr. Van Cleve with Cornerstone Pediatrics in Madison says there is help. Eating a healthy diet filled with fruits and vegetables, less carbs, and more protein can help. Sitting by windows or getting out of the house can also brighten your day and help you feel better.
You can do light therapy. That's a big thing. And you get your light box and you sit close to it and maybe read for a while.
It's also important to know your risk factors and know if you have a family history of mental illness. And for children, help could be as simple as creating the fun for them. Dr. Van Cleve says creating a winter box filled with things that make you happy and excited can help boost your mood. It's also crucial to plan activities ahead of time and make yourself accountable, because it can be very hard to rely on motivation when you drop into that winter depression. Seasonal depression can affect anyone, and News 19 employee Liza Shishido knows firsthand.
It's really important to talk to the person that has a mental illness, because what their perspective isn't always textbook. With a lot of disorders, you're told that this person can only exist in a hospital their entire life, but that's not true for everyone.
When it comes to diagnosing a patient with seasonal depression, doctors say most are diagnosed when they show symptoms several seasons in a row.
That can be determined based on what seems to be causing the sadness. If it seems to be specific to the season, then that would be seasonal affective disorder.
If you have a loved one who is suffering during the holidays because of grief or seasonal depression, reaching out and being there for them is one of the best ways you can help. In Huntsville, Nawal Jalil, News 19.
If you or someone you know is struggling with seasonal depression, you're asked to seek out a mental health provider or contact your doctor to discuss some options.